workloads here. So San Miguel, a lot of pieces out as we get going here at the Big Dome, and it is rain or shine who get first possession. Marcio in the corner, and Marcio gets a 3-and-1.
Yeah, normally call that whenever you hit any part of the shooter's hand on the jump.
Marcio, the drive. And Marcio Lassiter has been such a big bonus here. Generasyon, mapapanood nyo ang pinakasig sa action-adventure family movie, Benupo, this film festival. This film is an official connection, just not there, Coach.
Yes.
And Marcio pulls up for 3 and makes it again.
12 big points for Marcio Lassiter in this turn.
Now, the thing with Marcio is, he is so strong backing down defenders, and
Yes.
Marcio's shot is just so pure. Oh, Marcio! Flyby! Splash!
Wow.
Okay. Oh, Lassiter left all alone! You don't do that! The Marcio defense, Marcio Lassiter! Oh my goodness, Marcio!
Wow. Big basket by Marcio Lassiter plus a foul. So this is
And a chance here, no. That'll do it. 115 to 110 in favor of the San Miguel Beermen.